Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson, I will explain book exercise of Unit 15, Abu bin Adham. This is choose the correct option. The poet says that may his tribe increase. It means that the number of Abu bin Adham's children should increase. The words like lily in bloom is simile. The name of Abu bin Adham was on the top of the list because he loved fellow human beings. Abu bin Adham's room looked beautiful and bright because of the presence of an angel in the room. Abu bin Adham spoke more low means that Abu bin Adham spoke humbly. Vocabulary. Which lines of the poem indicate imagery? Pick out rhyming words from the poem. Identify different figures of speech from the poem. Students, this will be your activity. Also, writing portion will be your activity and listening and speaking portion will be also your activity. Write a short poem on the me similar to the one in Abu bin Adham. Write the summary of the poem Abu bin Adham. Write an essay of about 100 words on Hukukul Ibad. Paraphrase the first and third stanzas of the poem Abu bin Adham. It is included in your notes, exercise D. Students, before I go to book exercise, first I want to tell you about direct and indirect and how can we make our indirect sentence into direct sentence. English language has two ways to narrate the spoken words of a person. These two ways are as follows. First one is direct speech and second one is indirect speech. These two ways are usually used to convey a message or spoken words of one person to another person. Here are some basic rules for indirect speech. Rule 1. Words of the speaker reported speech in reported speech are not enclosed in inverted commas or quotation marks in indirect speech. Rule number 2. Usage of word that. The conjunction that is always used between reporting verb and reported speech in indirect speech. Students, for example, he said, I write a letter. Whenever we change direct speech into indirect speech, students, first we should remove inverted commas. Then instead of inverted commas, we will use conjunction that. Rule number 3. Change in tense of the reported speech. A change is made in tense of reported speech for changing a direct speech into indirect speech if the reporting verb or first sentence of direct speech is either present tense or future tense. No change will be made in the reported speech. For making indirect speech, only if the reporting verb or first sentence of direct speech belongs to the past tense, changes will be made in tense reported speech for making indirect speech. Means indirect speech में आप reported speech में changes कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास direct speech में आपका first sentence past tense में हो, वरना present tense और future tense की सूरत में आप रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को चेंज नहीं कर सकते अनदर टेंस में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डायरेक्ट स्पीच शी सेड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस सेंटेंस इज in past form. That's why we should change our reported speech. And what is reported speech, student? The sentence enclosed in inverted comma are called reported speech, while the first sentence is called our reporting speech or reporting verb. So indirect speech, she said that she was catching. So auxiliary am, which is used for present tense, so it is changed into past tense, past continuous tense. Rule number 4, changes in pronoun. The pronoun or subject of reported speech is sometimes changed according to the pronoun or subject or object of the reported verb. First sentence of direct speech, the possessive pronouns his, her, my, their, your may also change according to subject or object of the first sentence. For example, in direct speech, he said, I eat 2 apples. In indirect speech, he said that he ate 2 apples. So, first person pronoun is changed into subject according to the subject in indirect speech. Like I is changed into he. He said that he ate 2 apples. Direct speech, he said to me, I like your books. I like your book. So in indirect speech, she said to me that she liked my book. And student, one thing to be noted, that if the subject is in reported speech is second person, means you, so it will change into the object according to the object of the first sentence, or change into the subject. While third person is remaining same in indirect speech, it cannot be changed into another pronoun according to the subject or object. For example, he said he eat 2 apples. In indirect speech, we also say he said that he eats 2 apples. He ate 2 apples, because this tense is in past form, so we are supposed to change it into past tense. Change the following into indirect speech. The girl said, it gives me great pleasure to be here this evening. The girl said to me it gave her great pleasure to be here that evening. The girl said to me that it gave her great pleasure to be here that evening. The man said, I must go as soon as possible. The man said that he must go as soon as possible. She said, I don't want to see any of you. Go away. She said that she did not want to see any of them and asked to go away. The teacher says, if you work hard, you will pass. The teacher says that if you work hard, you will pass. He said, I have won. He said that he had won. He said, let's wait for her return. He proposed that they should wait for her return. Alice said, how clever I am. Alice explained with wonder that he was very clear. Which way did she go? Asked the young man. The young man asked which way had she gone. He said to me, where are you going? He said to me, where are you going? He asked me where I was going. Please wait here till I return, she told him. She requested her to wait till returned. Students, this is imperative. So, for imperative sentences, instead of please, we will write requested. Next one, change the following into direct speech. She told her mother that she was going to the market. She said to her mother, I am going to the market. His friends told me that they would go home the following Sunday. His friend said to me, we will go home the next Sunday. The teacher told he had been very regular in his work. The teacher said, I was very regular in my work. Zarak Khan told me that he had finished his work. Zarak Khan said to me, I have finished my work. The teacher said, the earth moves around the sun. The teacher said, the earth moves around the sun. We have studied that universal truth cannot be changed. He said that she was not going home that day. He said she was not going home today. He asked me if I had brought the pens. He said to me, have you brought the pens? The boy asked me if that was the place we had visited before. The boy said to me, is this the place you have visited before? The judge told me. The judge told the witness to tell the truth. The judge said to the witness, tell the truth. The prisoner begged the judge to forgive him. The prisoner said to the judge, please forgive me. This is me, me. Memorize this work. Do practice of book exercise.